Welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we are diving into a quick tutorial on how to download the GT Bank application on your device. Stick around as we walk you through the simple step to get the app up and running smoothly on your phone. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, open up App Store if you are an iOS user and open Play Store if you are an Android user. At the search bar, type in GT Bank and then click on search. Scroll down a little bit until you find this icon. It is also known as GT World, which is published by Guaranteed Trust Bank PLC. Now click on Get. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you.